Dear friends, how are you all? I hope you're all good. Today we are going to see a new app. The name of the app is Eval Bee. So what you do? Go to Play Store and touch EVAL BEE Eval Bee. Okay, I have already installed. You can see this one, no? Blue one. So what you do? We can open. So this is a wonderful app. We can analyze everything. Fantastic. So fine. So you can enter using your email ID or anything. So what we'll do? First, go to the exam. So it's all, we are giving the name and everything, no? So name of the person, school, everything will come. So you can see student, teachers, settings and everything. So go to teacher because you are only creating new question, no? That's why. Okay. Now, so this we can write, okay, your name of the school, name, everything and save it. So let it be there. Fine. Now only comes the first one. We are going to create one OMR sheet itself for our own. Instead of using normal OMR code, it won't analyze the mark itself. But when we create our own code, it will be able to do all the work. Okay. So what we'll do? First, press plus button. Down, we can see, no, plus button. If you press the button, it will be like this. And now here, roll number digits. So how many? So if you want to increase, decrease, okay, increase means how many digits. Normally roll number will be 4 or 5 or like that. Okay, for example, 6101 like that. Exam set. How many exam set you need? So 1 means 1. So plus means plus. Minus means minus. 1 set. Okay, enough. Subject. How many subjects? For example, English, Tamil, Math, Science, Social. In that case, you can 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. For example, 3 subjects we will do for example. So subject 1, we will do English. ENG, English. Okay. Section. How many section? 1. Next. Then second subject is Tamil. TAMIL. Next section is Math. MATH. Alright. So move to back. So we have selected 3 subjects. Exam set only 1. So roll number will be 4 digit. Next. So section 1 in English, section 1, number of questions. So how many questions you are asking? Maybe 10 question. Okay, or if it is only 5 question, you can choose 5 question. So like that. So nowadays it's only 10 question, no? 10. Question type, options we are talking about. How many options you are going to give? So nowadays it is 4 options. Mark allotted 1 mark. Mark for incorrect. So we are not giving any negative mark. So leave it. Okay. This is for English. Moving on to Tamil. Okay. Tamil, number of questions. Okay. 10 questions. Question type, option. How many option? 4 option. Marks, 1 mark. Incorrect, we don't give any negative mark. Coming to math. Number of questions? 10 question. How many options? 4 option. 1 mark each. Like that. Next. Done. So now, for example, if you see, if you zoom, we can understand. So roll number. So here is the name of the student, exam, date and roll number. For example, 6101. So the child should shade 6, 1, 0, 1 like that. Fine. So this is roll number. Now then English section 1. So first question, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 question. For Tamil, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. The next one, math, like that. So this is what? Fine, friends. Okay, now layout. you want it should be continuous or it should be set in column. If you set in column, it will be like roll number and details are like this, English, Tamil, Maths. That is the only thing, nothing different. So it will be default, fine. If you want in column, let it be like this, or you can do in continuous itself, fine. Okay, because we have another one advantage in the end, so we can save it. So save as exam. So what exam we can save? Some exam. Okay, class 7. Class SEVEN. Okay, exam name. OMR exam. Fine, choose date. The moment you choose date, it will come. So you can choose 31 or you can go for another months, okay, like October, November, December, like that, up you can see. So we are going to do November 3rd, simply just for fun, fine. So save. This is also done. So OMR exam. Now you can see, right hand side, some key symbol. So in the first one, I have not prepared key. Just now we prepared. Second one, I have prepared key, comprehension. In the first, it is not given. So key symbol is still there. It means prepare key, it is telling. 6, SIX, key not prepared. So what we should do? We should prepare key. So if you touch this, now for Tamil, for English only first we did. For English 10, Tamil 10, Math 10. 30 questions are there. Now we know no answer. So maybe first question C answer, B answer, D answer, A answer. So we have to, now simply I am doing it, but according to our key, we have to set key. Okay? Yes. A, B, C, D. Just for understanding only. B, C, B, A, B, C, D. Fine. All the things we have done. Yeah, here not over. All right. So over. Then we can save it. So now we have prepared key. Now the key symbol is missing. That's all. Okay, now what we can do? Now we have to conduct the test of the students. Okay, so like this it will come, and we'll generate the thing. So OMR exam PDF we have to do. So once again I'll tell. Now OMR we have prepared. Key also prepared. Now we need the OMR sheet. So PDF, left hand side, PDF. So here, so what we have to do, we have to create it into PDF format. So down you can see download image, edit design, create PDF. So either way we can do. If we create this as a PDF, then if we want to be economical, you want to save paper, 1 sheet per page or 2 sheet per page. So I used to do 2 sheet per page. For in one A4 paper itself, we can get 2 OMR code. So set. Okay. So now if you see, no, in one A4 paper itself, we will get 2. Yes. See now, in one A4. So for one student can write here. So in one A4 paper, we got 2 things. So name, exam date, child will write. The roll number 6101. 6, they will write. 6 or 7 means 7 they shade. 1 means 1 shade. 0, 0 shade. 1 thing. So roll number already over. Now English exam they will start. So first question, what is the answer? Second question, what is the answer? Third question, what is the answer? Fourth, what? Fifth, what? Like that they will answer. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So only 10 questions we have prepared for English. Moving on to Tamil. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Over. 17, 18, 19, 20. Tamil over. Next one, moving sign, math. Math also another 10 question. So child will finish it. So we can tear the page into 2 halves. And if you go to evaluation app, now we have to add the names of the students. Then only we will know which student, how many marks, like that, right? That is our main intention, right? For that, what you do, left hand side, 3 lines are there. You touch the left hand side. So till now we went to teacher side, right? Teacher only we went, right? Now go to student side. So student have already added names. So this is 6th standard A section, 6th standard B section, like that. So now you want to add means down you can see export, import, add. So plus button, add. Add, you can write class 6th B, 6B, roll number 6206. Simply I am writing name. For example, I'll write my name Brinda, Brinda. Okay, phone number and email number no need. When you come, enough. Name of the student, name of number, class, enough, add. So you can see here, so 6206 Brinda. Okay, if you want we can change also anytime. So like that, add here, name of the class 6th B and roll number 6209. Name Rajesh, Rajesh. Okay, so that's enough. Add. That's all. It will keep on adding. First class, second class, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, like that. It will go on add. So this one is for roll number wise. Next one, name wise, ABCD, name wise it will go. Like alphabetical order only. Okay. Then how many classes till now? We have done 6th standard, 6th standard A, B, like that. So like that we can do plenty of things. So what will, if we go to the settings, it will say when you are scanning, no. So I'll tell you tomorrow that when you scan, sound should come. Then only it will be nice, interacting. Like when sound will come. Then save images, it will save. Then these are all default, it is there. If you want, you can change anything also, okay. Scan resolution, high means it will be high resolution, default means default. So options mark with pencil or pen or both. Okay, pen means pen, pencil means pencil. So normally we are doing with pen only, no, let it be with pen. Okay, these are only setting part. Fine. So that's all, we can easily do it. So OMR, when you complete the test, we can analyze, we can take the key is this one we prepared, and after completing test we can scan it. I'll show you how to scan tomorrow, okay.